welcome to this video. We're just gonna do a little tour in our own backyard and off-roading only. It's gonna be safe and controlled. I updated my tune from IE. Now it's at 2.10B, and you can hear the crackle here. I really do apologize for the camera placement. This is my first POV, and then stuff like this happens. You can tell here I'm shaking a lot. It's because the road is not so great, so can't really go that fast. There's rocks and stuff on the road. Just gotta be careful. Just a nice drive-in with your grandma. Let's do a couple more pulls. Again, sorry for the camera placement. The back camera just kind of gave up on its life, and the front camera, you can kind of see how fast I'm going if you're looking at the GPS radar sensor on the top right, but it's still hard to see. I'll try to be better next time. Thanks for watching.